Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. We've got the book, we're till reading, and I will quickly go through this book. We've had some belting finds of late, but we're still wanting a fair few of the new £2 section of this book. Last one we've filled is the Army Pals. Remember a couple of weeks back we found an absolute boatload, and we've got the NIFC. Well, I don't know if it is an NIFC. What's your views? The old £2 coin. Okay, 50p wise, still looking for Q. Still looking for a few Olympics, and that's that. How many diversities have we found? We have found 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36 and 6 Commonwealth Games. Right, let's zoom in and have a little bit of a grander look on what we've got. We'll start with 50p's first. Nice stack of 50p's. Get that dog hair out of the way first. Right, let's have a look. Right, we've got Paddington at the Tower. Don't need him. Again, these are all in my change. Found these in my change and till raided from the shops. That's Paddington at the Cathedral. 2018. We've got the other Paddington there, don't we? Can we make the foursome? 2019. No, we can't. Well, it might pop up later. That's a Shirley Temple. Alright, 2020, we've got another diversity. So I will keep that one, and it'll go on the tally chart. 2020 again, another diversity. I like that coin. It's doing great. Right, 2016. Here we go. Beatrix Potter, the anniversary coin. Found a few of them, so that probably gets slung back into circulation. Now, a few weeks back we found one of these that are quite grotty. I can't remember the date, the year date of that one, but it's a Jersey, the Bellywick of Jersey. This one looks in rough state as well. Rough, that's what my dog said when he sat on some sandpaper. But we've also got, if we have a look at this one, 2009, and it's the same coin. Cracking stuff. I found more of those lately than I have Benjamin Bunnies. How bizarre times. And this from the same shop where I got one of those Jersey coins. It's a boxing. Well, we'll still keep that one, and we'll keep the jerseys and the diversities. Right, let's have a look at the massive stack. £2 we've got. Look at that lot. Whoa. And we can tell we've got some nice ones because we've got the 5th portrait of Her Majesty on there. Okay, so that one is another Army Pals. First World War. Again, we've had loads and loads of them, so, and the super high minted anyway, so we won't be worried too much. Now this one looks a bit strange, doesn't it? It looks like someone's had a real wallop of this one. It's a oh, look at it. Looks almost fake. I don't know. We don't need it anyway for the book anyway, so we'll not dwell on too long. Now this one again, this looks a bit beat up, but I think we do need the DNA. It's a belting design, isn't it? But it's a little bit mucky. But I think we need that one. Right. The condensation of the coin, and we've got the lighthouse. Again, we've found that a few times. I can't remember if we need that one as well. I don't know. Right, £2. This is a comedies. There we go. Nice comedies. The Divine Comedy. Right, last few coins. Well, 4. 2 of them the same. Absolutely shiners. Beautiful. gonna have to put your sunglasses on to see these. And it's Britannias, 2016 Britannias, 2 of them. Absolutely cracking. Yeah, so they'll go in a keeping pile for sure. Unless we need them for the book. I should have it open, shouldn't I, really? Right. There we go. Great Fire of London. Found a fair few of these over the course of the campaign. Come on. There we go. Over the course of the campaign. And filling the last book. So they are still circulating around in nice quantity around here. Beautiful design. And last but not least, I'm not sure if we need this one again. I really should have done my own work. This is the Navy. I know we don't, because we did find it, didn't we, a couple of weeks back. A week or so back. Whenever it was. Other day. Other week. I don't know. But yeah, it is a belting coin. I will keep this. I'll be popping this. I'm going to start putting them into flips. I've started buying these, so I'm going to put them there. So ones that I do keep will go in there. Right. So this is it. Join me in a minute. I'll have the new ones in the book. Great, folks. So we've got 3 for the £2 book. We need a DNA. We've not found the gunpowder plot yet. What did we need on this page? Nothing. Well, we do need some. You know what I'm saying. Britannia, 2016 Britannia. We haven't found our histories yet, which is very bizarre. But we did get the Great Fire of London. Nothing for the 50p's though. We'll be keeping these at the 50p's, and those £2. The rest will go back into the wild for another day. Right. So do take care of this, and my fantastic friends. Stay safe. And whoever listens to this part, write magnet in the comments. Happy days. I'll see you all later.